All right, so picture this. You are there in an interview with the prospect. He just came in, he just sat down. Now, should you open your mouth and start talking about your product, your service, the benefits, how it works, why it works, the price, the quality, the quantity, and all these other things? No. You should not talk about that, man. Like, it's just so vital that I tell you this right now before you actually go out and start doing this. Because what will happen if you start talking about just your product and you just start selling and selling and selling is that you will fail. Most likely you will fail because you don't even know who you are selling to. Who is this person sitting in front of you? What should you say? How should you say? That is why it's so vital that before you start selling and opening your mouth and start marketing and all this other stuff, that you find out who you are talking to. Find out who is the prospect, what is the prospect, why is he here, what does he want, how does he want it, very important, how does he want it, and so much more. Because once you find these things out, you will know how you can form your message, how you can actually form your message in a way that the prospect agrees with it and in a way that it's actually real for the prospect. So find out who you are talking with. And once you have found out who you are talking with or who you're talking about even, then you can actually start talking.